Man, beautiful morning after the storm that we had yesterday. Actually, it was the day before yesterday and yesterday morning. And we came up with all this snow that you see out here. And still, a lot of what we had. I think we had a total of eight inches here. We ended up getting more snow here, the Red Hook area, and a little bit south of here than we did up north of here. So almost, well, not quite twice, but we did get more snow. And so, the temperature is going up, and did some melting yesterday, and gonna go through some more melting today. But still, I think they're actually calling for another little bit of snow at the end of the weekend. Oh man. So I'm gonna come on down here. Let's run down here. Check this water temperature out. Oh, how about that, man? I'm gonna hit one on. Man, there's the other one there. Okay. Check this out. Well, maybe it's a little warmer than it was yesterday. Yesterday was 36. So I think it may have. And the temperature was up a little higher yesterday throughout the day. But it's looking like it's, I don't know, it keeps going down. It looks like 37-ish. Almost 38. I guess that's it. All right. It's not quite the same as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was brutal with that storm. Man, snow coming down. The wind was blowing. The water had ripples all over it. This is not really so bad. It's still got cold water, but still gonna make this kind of quick. Still nice and cold. Oh. Wow. Well, I'm gonna get back on up to the cottage. So I'm gonna pause it for a minute. Well, it's much better than it was yesterday. Man, yesterday I was kind of hurting, but today it's really not so bad. Still a lot of, man, cold air, cold water, and cold snow. Oh man, get back up through this snowy bank. Okay, there we go. Well, I got the fire going. Gonna warm up just a little bit, and then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a shower today. But I want to warm up first, because they say, if you're out in the cold like that and you jump into like a hot shower, it's not the greatest thing for you. So gotta warm up here by the fire a little bit first, and then I'll take a shower. Man, that was kind of brutal. That was a brutal swim. Oh man. So anyway, I think that's gonna do.